Hello and welcome everyone, it's Martin here with CryptoGains. Happy Monday. Let's dive straight in so that we can briefly discuss all the exciting opportunities for today and for this week more broadly. First of all, let's begin with Bitcoin versus Tether. After the drop that we saw towards the end of last week, we saw a very healthy recovery in the price of Bitcoin versus Tether, giving us new opportunities to initiate long positions. So the way that I'm currently reading the chart, over 18,500, I'll be looking for initiating long positions. We can see that on the 4-hour chart, the MACD recovered above zero, giving us buy signal. Also the relative strength index is now above 50, around 60, more in the bullish territory, so giving us opportunities to initiate more long positions. However, I'm revising my take profit target to 19,480 simply because after doing some research for an article that I published last week, which I'm going to link in the description, there is a huge amount of sell orders in the region of 19,500. So being just a couple of dollars below that level is going to help you take the profit before the decline begins when these sell orders are triggered and executed. Next, we're moving to Ethereum versus Tether. Again, we had a very good recovery. On the 4-hour chart, the MACD is once again in a bullish territory with readings above zero, the relative strength index around 60, trying to reach 70, actually giving us very good healthy upwards momentum. So over 580, to me, good opportunity to initiate long positions with initial target at 600 and then subsequently at 623, which has proven itself as very robust resistance area for Ethereum. Conversely, the stop loss, I'm looking at levels of 570, which is acting as very good support area. Next, I'm moving to Ripple versus Tether, and here I've left on purpose the exact charts and marking that I had from last week, just to show you how precisely this trade unfolded exactly as I was recommending. So just around here on Friday, I was recommending entering long positions above 0.55 with a stop loss at 0.5 and take profit at 0.625. As you can see, none of the lows reached below our stop loss level, and then we had a healthy upwards rally reaching our take profit target. So highlighting the importance of following the recommendations precisely if you want to make the most of them. But currently, the way that I see the chart, over 0.6, I'll be looking for initiating long positions. And in terms of take profit and stop loss target, I would go to a lower time frame, to the hourly chart, so that I can see where would be a good position to place my stop loss. And I can see that just around 5.9, probably it's a bit extreme, I would say 0.58 is going to be where I would put my stop loss based on existing support and resistance areas. And next, for my take profit, I would be looking at, probably to be conservative, I would say 0.64 for my take profit target. Okay, this is for Ripple versus Tether. Next, I'm moving to IOTA versus Tether. Once again, I'll just go to the 4-hour chart to see how this trade unfolded exactly as per the recommendation. So I recommended it just around here on Friday, some of the lows just over that 0.29, which was my stop loss level, and then it rallied healthily to 0.335. So once you position a trade based on recommendation with a precise stop loss and take profit, keep it. Don't tinker with it, just trust the system. It's designed so that your loss, if it happens, will be smaller than your potential gain. But now, moving to today's recommendations, first of all, we have Chainlink versus Tether. Observing a good healthy rally on the 4-hour chart, we can see that the MACD is moving above zero, giving us a buy signal. The relative strength index is maintaining bullish territory over 50, confirming that bullish sentiment. So over 13.5, I would be long with a target at 15 and a stop loss at 12.850. And finally, briefly touching on Uniswap versus Tether. Once again, on the 4-hour chart, we can see that the MACD line, the blue MACD line, is crossing above zero, giving us a buy signal. The relative strength index currently above 50, confirming that bullish sentiment. So the way that I'm reading the chart, on the basis of support and resistance areas, I'll be looking for long positions over 3.5 with initial target at 4, also 4.2 if you want to be a bit more aggressive, and fairly conservative stop loss at 3.2. Finally, I just wanted to highlight to you that until the end of today, actually until 2100 GMT, you can still get an extra 5% bonus based on Black Friday promotion that we're running on StormGain. And of course, remember to keep learning with the video education section, with the Crypto Gains Market Insights subsection. Thanks for joining me. Trade wisely, have a good week, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.